Writing an about page can feel awkward, especially when you're new to business. Many beginners struggle to explain themselves in a way that connects. But creating an about page doesn't have to be stressful. I gave ChatGPT this prompt: pause here to copy it or swap in your own business type. In moments, you get polished, friendly, professional copy that clearly tells your story and communicates your value. You can tweak it to match your personality or brand voice. But the great About page alone won't build your brand. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to take AI generated copy like this and turn it into a full brand identity that attracts customers, all in 5 beginner friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the secret no funnel method to start reaching customers quickly and the copy and paste AI command database to create content faster. Turn your AI generated About page into a brand that sells. The AI Business Builder Challenge is available today for under $20. Check the link in the description and start building your brand now.